Cleanroom technology for mechanical engineering, something offered by very few companies. RÖHM is one of them. For over a century, RÖHM has stood for excellence in clamping, gripping and handling technology. The company now also offers products for cleanrooms. They must be designed in a cleanroom compatible way, special materials, special construction. The overall manufacturing process is also different. Products that will become technology for cleanrooms must, at least in their final manufacturing stage, also be produced in a cleanroom. RÖHM's Cleanroom enables us to meet ISO 7 standards. It has so much space that even large projects can be finally assembled and packaged in it. In the final steps before entering the cleanroom, the components are moved out of the traditional working environment. They undergo a pre-cleaning process that includes a variety of cleaning baths to remove machine residues like grease, oil and dirt particles. Following this, the components pass through an airlock into the cleanroom, where they are assembled into finished products. Because they are all precision products, the process also includes rigorous final inspection of all dimensions in the cleanroom. Final cleaning is carried out using particle measurement technology in a darkroom. This means that we can pick up even the tiniest speck of dirt on a product surface. At the end of the process, the products are packaged and sealed in line with cleanroom requirements. If the cleanroom conditions need to exceed ISO 7 class, then certified suppliers take over the final cleaning and packaging. Cleanroom compatible clamping, gripping and handling technology from RÖHM is already being supplied to numerous key high-tech industries. And there could soon be even more because there is a growing trend for cleanroom manufacturing in all areas. There are strict general quality guidelines for the development and manufacturing of cleanroom compatible products. When it comes to the details, we always customize these products to meet individual customer requirements. RÖHM delivers the entire process from one source, starting with the implementation of dedicated project management, including continuous consultation with the customer. This is followed by development and manufacturing at RÖHM, and finally, packaging and supply. Cleanroom-compatible clamping, gripping and handling technology from RÖHM, so that excellence in product handling is possible even in high-tech industries.